Ever felt overwhelmed with too many ideas, but no clear way of deciding what to do first? We often waste time just deciding what to prioritize. But there's a simple way that can change everything. Prioritization metric. A prioritization matrix helps you plot your ideas across key dimensions so that you can visibly and clearly see what really deserves your time. It's visual, it's simple, and it's deadly effective. Let's look at an example. This is one of the most simplest ways to visualize a prioritization matrix. What we have done is we have created two axes. On the X axis, you see effort, and on the Y axis, you see strategic value. Effort stands for how much time or effort that will go into fulfilling that idea. Whereas on the Y axis, where I've written strategic value, this could be anything like a profit, your revenues. Let's say I'm building my personal website and I have a couple of ideas in my idea box on right, which you see here. Let's say some of the ideas include write a blog, add a demo section, upgrade my career timeline section, do SEO optimization, create an LLM chatbot for my website. These are all of the ideas that I have, but I have limited time in terms of to do all of that. Let's say I want to build a personal brand, which I'm going to later monetize. So let's look at some of these examples. So writing a blog, it's a decently effort job. So it'll be somewhere here in the effort side of things. It's medium effort. Is it a high strategic value or a low strategic value? For me, it's a high strategic value because it will do SEO for me. My personal branding will definitely be improved by writing a blog. So I'm going to say it's a high strategic value and it's a mid to low, but to high. Now let's look at add a demo section. It adds value, but let's say for me, I'm a product manager. A demo section would mean more from an engineering side, slightly lesser on the product side. So I'll say it's medium, but it's a very high effort. So I'm just going to put it here, which is very high effort and medium strategic value. Upgrade the expertise and career timeline sections. These are, let's say, just elements on my website which I want to upgrade. How important are they for me? Let's look at the expertise section for me. I would say this is medium effort, and the strategic value is also not that high because if a recruiter really wants to see what I've done, they can easily look at in a couple of different places. I don't really have to worry about showing them creating this, spend too much time on my website. Create an LLM chatbot. Now Gen AI is all the fad, etc. So me being an AI product manager, it makes a lot of sense to have an LLM chatbot. So there is a lot of strategic value, but there is also a lot of effort in terms of building it. So I'm going to place it somewhere here. Create a marketing plan. So I'm going to link both of SEO optimization and marketing plan together. Given our goal of using our website as a personal branding, I think this has a very high strategic value. And the effort also, I don't think it's too much effort in terms of creating that marketing plan, similar with SEO optimization. I think they are low effort, but very high strategic value product. So now we've moved a lot of things here. Actually, I want to pull it down here. Yeah. Let's move our career timeline, which is part of our resume, to low effort, low strategy. Yeah, somewhere here. Now that we've got everything in the right positions in right place, now let's identify what to do first. So high strategy value and low effort. These are the things which are going to take lesser time for us and generate a lot of value. So we're going to color code it green. We're going to say, hey, focus on these. Next, let's look at high strategic value and high effort. These are the things which are going to take a lot of effort, but they're also going to give us a lot of value. Things which are low effort but also have a low strategic value. So let's code them yellow. I mean, if we are done with our high strategic items, we have less time, we can probably pick something from here. Finally, things which are high effort and which have very low strategic value, let's color code them red. We are probably never going to get to them. So this is how we are able to kind of clearly and visually understand what all tasks we need to do and have a very good idea of how we are going to prioritize. So priority 1, SEO optimization, create marketing plan, great. Priority 2, write some blogs, create an LLM chatbot. Priority 3, add some career timeline. Priority 4, maybe add a demo section. Now you can use this example for whatever you do in your personal life, in your professional life, building a product, building a company. Just go bonkers, have fun.